Hello traders, here's a long trade on S&P struggling at key Fibonacci resistance. Understanding and separating spectacular market conditions from very dangerous ones is everything in your trading. Why is this such a painful place to be? And why in the world is it only long trade? Because knowledgeable trader knows and understands. Bullish rally taking a massive pause. This is where buyers stepped in from yesterday morning, as expected, as identified days in advance. This was crucial Fibonacci resistance. As we discussed for students, this will be war zone. Price collapsed. Where buyers stepped in from again, not the place to short near. This is not just day trading trend inception. It is also institutional support. Do not short near. What is the problem now? Bullish trend overextended. Market in a whole lot of pain. Cannot short this rally. Buyers taking a pause. This is a trade. Nothing else is possible. And if bullish crawl will go on and rules are met, only then you can take short. As of right now, this is a pain. Nothing else is possible. It is that simple. Crawl is on. Most painful place for day trader to be the middle and the end of the trend. Understanding spectacular opportunities at trend inception versus overextended bullish rallies you do not want to short is key to your trading success. This is a market this morning on June 4th. A whole lot of pain. Nothing else is possible, only this. Crawl is on. There are no shorts. None are present. Knowledgeable trader knows when market will grow up to here, this is a place to monitor for shorts. But as long as this support respected, with buyers fully in charge, there are no shorts are present. None. Only this. Crawl is on. As expected. You do not need many trades. All you need is quality. Despite horrific, brutal Tuesday, we are on the right side of the market again and again and again. Knowledgeable trader trails very carefully, moving the stop outside of break-even. If you manage to pull 4 points out of this market and you scaling out carefully, you are a brilliant trader. No shorts are present, only this. That's what knowledgeable trader knows. That's what knowledgeable trader trades. And that's a lesson this morning. You only need one. Brutal Tuesday. If we're gonna start seeing spectacular bearish pullbacks in this area, it's a very good news. Should make for a very interesting afternoon. As we discussed with students, despite brutal pain, no shorts are present this morning. Only overextended bullish rally. You only need one. That's a lesson this morning, despite all the pain. Agree? Stunning reminder. If you understand what separates spectacular market conditions, if you're buying the bottom with institutions, you're not in pain. This morning, almost 2 hours of brutal, choppy markets, but we discussed with students, as long as key support respected, there are no shorts, only longs. What is the problem with this long? My goodness. Right now, 5 points later, it reached Fibonacci Reversal Zone. We were gonna start seeing powerful pullbacks. It's a gift. That's what knowledgeable trader expects. That's a trader who conquered instant gratification. That's a trader who conquered greed and ego. That's a trader who knows big difference between quality trades versus baits, which market gave us a plenty of earlier this morning. You only need one. Never forget that. This was a pretty aggressive trade. This is spectacular reminder. Never buy into reversal zone. This proprietary Fibonacci level you can install on any platform you choose to trade. If you want to trade on TradeStation, why not? If you prefer to trade on Thinkorswim and using method via options, of course, identical strategies apply. Doesn't matter if it's Euro, doesn't matter if it's Apple, doesn't matter if it's Bitcoin. All of those students now in the course trading those instruments. Students know extremely well this is not the place to buy. This is a place to exit your position. And if you have 1 or 2% of your position left, you adjust your trail even closer. There is no reason to lose money. Nothing in the market is random. All precise, rule-based method. Price comes to reversal zone, taking a massive pause. And if right now price collapses, it's a gift for knowledgeable trader. So again, traders, this trade reached key Fibonacci targets. This trade currently at Fibonacci Reversal Zone, where you exit your trade, where you do not enter long. Trade takes a massive pause. This is where trade collapses completely, 80+% of the time. Trade takes a massive crawl. Buying into this level, not an option. Exiting long is brilliant option. Trail is placed in perfect place. Trail respected. Adjust the trail. Correct? You are seeing clear bullish exhaustion. You are seeing clear market crawl. And that's the power and the accuracy of the method. Doesn't matter what you trade. Choice is yours. When price comes to proprietary Fibonacci reversal zone, this is where you exit all of your trades. If you choose to remain in your trades, your success rate drops to less than 20%. If you exit your trades and you take the remainder of your position, That's the only way to trade. Did we know or did we know that price will do this? Of course. This is what price does every single time, no matter what you trade. This is 1 minute chart on S&P, and this was Euro 2014. Do you remember this looking chart? Charts are twins. Not the place to buy, the place to exit, the place to monitor for short. And that's the reason I named this Fibonacci Reversal Zone. And if I would take a look on Apple, identical formula remains. Place to short from, not to buy into. And what do you see on the bottom? Trend Inception, Fibonacci Reversal Zone, 140, where Apple rallied from. All in advance, never after the fact. And when Apple skyrockets, where does it sell off from? Shock or not, Fibonacci Reversal Zone. All in advance, never after the fact. And that's the exact same formula on S&P this morning. Choice is yours, what you want to trade. And that's a lesson on Amazon, again and again and again. This is Amazon from Fibonacci Reversal Zone. Shock or not, stunning earnings don't mean a thing. Fibonacci Reversal Zone mean everything. And this is what Amazon does next, after collapsing more than $700 per share. Moves back up until Fibonacci Reversal Zone. Not the place to buy, the place to exit. And that's S&P this morning. All in advance, never after the fact. That's a place you exit your trade, not enter your trade. Doesn't matter if you trade the euro, doesn't matter if you trade Apple or Amazon. Doesn't matter if you trade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 5, 20,000, 11, any chart, any instrument, any time frame, any account size. Price action remains the same. Only difference, risk management and trade hold time. Anyone surprised? Of course not. As expected, not the place to enter, the place to exit. Just like Amazon, just like Apple. Shock or not, that's a reason for Fibonacci accuracy, Fibonacci power that no indicator will ever give you. And that's proprietary Fibonacci levels, proprietary Fibonacci strategies you can trade on any instrument you choose. Choice is yours. So if you would like to join us in Alpha Fibonacci courses, group or private mentoring, last chance to sign up at current discounted price. Once we're coming out with Alpha Fibonacci software available to general public, the fees for the course will increase from current discounted fees to $49.77. Very few spaces left at this current price. Private mentoring waiting list only. If you would like to join in for private mentoring, pretty please call me and discuss with me first. Private mentoring also currently at the lowest price ever will go back up to regular price. Any questions about the course? Listen to the students first, as students speak in podcasts and share what they trade. Students with different account size, students with different instruments share what they trade. After you review the information on the website, after you listen to students who trade options, stocks, forex, futures, ETFs, any instrument possible in US and globally, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact me. Pretty please. Simply click on Contact Us page and call or email me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com.